It will be another crucial day, a key day, and perhaps the last one before Parliament is prorogued, suspended. So what will happen concretely today will be that the head of state, the Queen, will give her royal assent, and therefore a law will be passed, having cleared both the lower chamber, the House of Commons, and the upper chamber, the House of Lords, which effectively stops the Prime Minister in his tracks as far as not wanting an extension and certainly not agreeing to go to Brussels. He is instructed by this law to go to Brussels and ask for a 3-month extension to that 31st of October deadline, that new deadline given by the 27 other EU countries. And it is something that he has repeatedly said he wouldn't do. Indeed, last Thursday, he told the nation and the EU that basically he'd rather die in a ditch than go to Brussels and ask for an extension. So clearly then what will happen later today, is that the government will ask for an early snap election. Now remember that this is the second time of asking. When government asked Parliament last week, amongst the many defeats that the government faced, was that a refusal by 27 votes, because of course the government has lost its majority last week in Parliament. So we think this afternoon that yet again, although the Prime Minister needs 2/3 of MPs to get that green light from Parliament for an early poll, we expect that he will be defeated. Why? Because the opposition parties, the Labour Party, the Scottish National Party, the Liberal Democrats, Plaid Cymru, the Independents, and of course Tory rebels, importantly, 21 of them, 22 now, kicked out of the party, don't trust the Prime Minister, if they were to agree to an election, not to move the date. And they very much want the law passed today to be implemented. But of course, before all of that, Boris Johnson is going to Ireland.